Hello everyone, welcome back to GearUpWindows. In today's video, I will show you how to use the tab search feature in Microsoft Edge on Windows 11 or Windows 10. If you open many tabs and find it difficult to locate a specific one, then tab search can help you quickly find any open tab, including recently closed tabs. So let's get started. First, open Microsoft Edge browser on your computer. Make sure your browser is updated to the latest version. Look at the extreme left side of the tab bar. You will see a small down arrow icon. Click on it. Now click on Search tabs. You can also press Ctrl plus Shift plus A on your keyboard. This will directly open the tab search panel. Now in the search box, type the name of the tab you are looking for. Microsoft Edge will instantly show matching tabs from your open tabs. You will also see results from recently closed tabs, which helps you quickly reopen them. Simply click on the tab to switch to it or reopen it if it was recently closed. If you do not see the tab search option, update your browser. To do this, click on the three dots menu in the top right corner. Now scroll down and hover mouse over help and feedback. Then click on about Microsoft Edge. Edge will automatically check for updates and install them if available. After updating, restart the browser. That's it. This is how you can use the tab search feature in Microsoft Edge on Windows 11 or Windows 10. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to GearUpWindows. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.